Hey guys, good morning. So just now I came back from tuition. So today is very late. I'm very late. So okay, first of all I'm going to have freshen up, and after that I'll have meal, and then after taking some rest I'll go for the study. So okay, now I'm going to have freshen up since. So guys, some time ago I came back from tuition, and after that I was very tired, so I took a rest. So guys, in the morning when I came back from tuition, I stuck on mobile. Everything I can do, but I can't. Uh, I can't live without mobile. So I want to uh, leave mobile, and I want to aware from mobile, but I can't. So when I came back from tuition at the time, 2 hours I stuck in mobile, and after realize I did study, but I did not directly study. I feel like I'll sleep and I'll do study at night, but my inner voice says that don't sleep. You have to complete this. Your mind is making fool yourself. So that's why I wake up, and I did study for 1.5 hour. Near about 2 hours I did study, and half a lecture something evening. So I will complete it now. So also I did not make any blog, and when I went for the tuition at the time, I did not make blog. Also I did not do anything, and did not complete my today's task. So first task is my that I want to complete first of all meditation, and before that meditation I want to complete my daily blog. So uh, today I want to speak at least 2 to 3 minutes. So I'll not close this blog suddenly. So I did not make a today blog properly. So this is my task that I want to speak continuously. Whatever in my mind I will speak. So guys, today there were lecture whatever I have completed. So that was so interesting, and when I completed half lecture, so at that time I was very motivated, because at the time of sleeping I did complete that lecture. So and after that I went to the tuition, and just now I came back from there. So guys, it's been 6 months will completed, and remaining 6 months I want to more improvement in myself. So first improvement is my that some of negative thoughts is decreased due to my meditation, and also I can speak English fluently. So you can see that I don't think it will not think for to Hindi to English. I directly speak whatever in my mind I can speak, and it will benefit for me to improve myself. Sometimes I made mistake to in grammar, but I will improve this. So from 1st of July this will my busy schedule. So due to regular batches will start in the tuition, and you know that every day I go to the tuition. So that time I did not manage properly. So and also I'll take one more lecture. So from morning to evening I will very busy. So that I want to uh, cover previous, because mm, if I'm stuck in that if I'm stuck in tuition, so my studies will not complete. So without wasting any time and without wasting anything, I want to complete my studies properly. So I'll not take a break. I'll take break on only night, at the time of sleeping and at the time of rest. Or I'll complete, if I'll complete all these tasks, then I'll take break. Otherwise I'll not take break. Continuously I will busy, because I want to crack one exam. So I will tell when will be exam. So when will it time, and I will make another channel for that exam. So I will share my daily routine, what I did. I share my daily routine, but how do I manage my work, and how do I study, I'll share on that channel. So okay, and guys, also I'm I'm telling since my blog is starting, so that I'm not making this for views and making for money. Just I'm improving this just I'm improving myself. So that's why I'm making this So okay, so guys, whatever it is, so now I think I speak for 2 to 3 minutes. So now I first of all I am going to have freshen up, and after that I will do meditation. So let's go. So guys, I just completed my meditation, and some time ago I made a blog for 4.55 second minute. So guys, I thought like I'll make a blog for 2 to 3 minutes, and because I did not make any blog in whole day, so that's why I continuously speak, and that was my task. So continue I have to speak. So I did. So okay, now I'm going to have meal first, and after get back from there, I'll not take break. After completing after having meal, I'll directly sit for the study. So remaining pending lecture I will complete that, and from tomorrow, that's I mean to say that I have started my studies, so continue without breaking my streak. I want to continuously run. So okay, so now I am going to have meal first. So let's go. So guys, just now I had meal. So now I am going to do study. So after having meal, I took a rest outside, and I walked some of the meals. Okay. So now I am going to do study. So before that, I'll complete my overall task like video uploading and willing to hands on are there, so I'll complete them and then I'll do study. So nothing more. So that's it for today's blog. We will meet another one.